is Channel 7, the #1 station for news and information in Southern California. And now the latest breaking eyewitness news with Christine Lund, Harold Green, Eddie, Dr. George, and the Eyewitness News team.
Kirsty Wilde, John Beard, News for LA at 4. #1 in Southern California. Red Rogan, Sports. Fritz Coleman, Weather. David Hollowitz, Close-Up. This is News for LA at
4. Marcia Brantwood, Ralph Story, Jim Hill, Maplovio Perez. The Channel 2 News live at 5.
I.J. Hudson, Al Clement on sports, Doug Oliver with the weather. This is the weekend edition of News 8.
News Center 39 is the 1983 Emmy Award winner for news excellence. News Center 39 with Dennis Morgino, Laura Buxton, Al Keck, and Bob Dale.
Now, 10 News, First Edition, with Michael Tyke, Bree Walker, and the entire 10 News team.
Now, Dave McElhatton, Wendy Takuda, Wayne Walker on sports, and Joel Bartlett with weather. This is Channel 5 Eyewitness News.
Now, Channel 7 News Tonight with Pete Wilson, Susan Gregory, meteorologist Pete Giddings, and John Buren with sports.
From the Sierra to the Pacific. Live from California's capital. This is News 10. Reported by Dick Cable and Susan Blake.
Tonight on Action News, there's more on that Sominex 2 ban, a Vietnamese Horatio Alger story in Loomis, Buzzy the cross-eyed tiger, and other friends at the Folsom Zoo. Steve Summers tells you what will happen to the Camellia Bull. Betty Vasquez checks on the weekend weather. And now, Dave Walker and the...
KFSN TV, Fresno.
You're watching KC24 Fresno. We give you more.
You're watching KC 24-Hour Night Watch, the Valley's #1 newscast, with Stephanie Barugian, Bud Elliott, Brent Schweigert Sports, and Sean Boyd Weather.
This is the Valley's 11 o'clock update. 47 Eyewitness News with Jennifer Whitney, Mark Cotta on sports, and Doug Collins with the weather. Now, Jennifer Whitney.